Hey Joakim, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, the cool is right here. And basically what this is a compact professional microphone. And it's from the brand right here. This is the SR MV 2000. And they mentioned how it's actually designed for gamers, streamers, or podcasters. And it's compatible with both your phone and also for your laptop device, or even for your computer as well. And they also mentioned how it's a USB multi-color microphone. So I'm assuming the color on here will change automatically or something, but we'll find out in a second. When we take a look in the back right here, they probably got some of the specs and features that's on here. But this is basically what the product looks like. Let me actually open this up to show you guys what is actually included inside first. Alright, so I'm going to take off that part right there. And here's what the inside looks like. When we open up this part right here, this is basically what's included inside. So first thing you see inside, they do provide an instruction manual to teach you guys how to set a product and how to use it. And right underneath that, you guys can see that this is basically what it actually looks like. So let's take out this box right here first before we show you guys the microphone right here. Alright, so this is basically what's included inside. Let's take it out. So first thing you see, they probably got this accessory that's in use. And then right here, you can see they probably got two different cables on here. So first one here is a USB-C to USB-C cable. And for the second one that we got right here is a USB to USB-C cable. And when you guys see the cable on here, it definitely feels like a high quality cable. And that is basically everything that's included in that small little box. Now let's take a look at the microphone right here. So I'm gonna take out the little cover right here first. And right there you can see is a microphone. Let's take it out. Alright, so when we take out the product and see that this is basically what the product looks like. And you see the product is actually really small and compact, just like what they mentioned, which is pretty awesome if you guys want to bring this when you guys are traveling, or if you guys are moving somewhere, or if you guys don't want like a huge microphone, this is probably ideal for you guys. So this is basically actually looks like in the front. So I'm assuming right here is the LED light, and then right here is the microphone. And inside right here, if you guys want to loosen it up, you definitely can. And basically what that does, it allows you guys to do this. And then once you guys want to lock it in place, you guys want to turn it back to lock it in place. So that way it won't move anymore. You can see. If we turn it in the back, this is basically actually looks like. So we have an aux to headphone option right here. We have a USB-C option right here. So basically the top part right here is to control like the microphone and the USB. And the bottom part right here is to control like the gain and the mute option. And then the bottom part right here, this is basically actually looks like. So they definitely have that like non-slip material on the bottom to prevent the microphone from moving around once you guys set it up. And then for this part right here, like they mentioned, it is magnetic. So you guys gonna pull it out, you definitely can. So that's actually really cool. So when you guys are ready to use it again, just go like that. And the magnet on here is actually pretty strong. You can see when I actually try to pull it out, it will not come out. Unless if I use a little bit of strength to actually pull it out, then it actually would come out. So that's definitely really cool how it has a really strong magnet on here to hold it in place. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me just put this down on the table and test it out to show you guys how it works and when it actually works. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so right here we have the product. Let's test it out. So basically what I'm going to do is plug in the cable right here onto my laptop so we can actually generate power onto here and we start using it. So you can see that once we plug it in, there is a green indicator light right here. Let me peel off the strip right here first. So basically when you guys are talking, if you can see it pops on the green bar line right here. So that's how you guys know when it's working. Let me just pull down the shade so I can give you guys a better view of the product. Alright, so you can see that once we pull down the shade, you can definitely see the light right here. So basically every time when we're talking, the bar goes up this high, if you can see. And we turn in the back right here. If you guys want to adjust like the gain, the mic, and everything else on here, you can definitely do all that on here. Also, when you guys look at the light right here, it's actually green. But when you guys are using the button in the back, it actually changes different colors on here. So when you guys change the mic on the back, you can see how it turns blue. And like I mentioned, if you guys want to pull this part out, you definitely can. So it's magnetic, just like that. If you guys want to put it back, just go like that. So definitely give you guys the option to actually remove it from the stand if you guys want to. But basically right now I have it plugged into my laptop. So let's test out the audio and hear what it actually sounds like. And you see that once you actually plug it in, it actually gives you guys these two options right here. So whether I want to use like my MacBook microphone or if I want to use the actual microphone here, I definitely have those two options here. So I think what I'm gonna do first is test out the microphone on the actual MacBook so you can hear what it sounds like. Alright, so basically what you have to listen to right now is the audio that's coming from the MacBook Pro. Now I'm actually test it out on the actual microphone right here to show you guys what this sounds like. So basically what you guys are listening to now is the microphone that's coming from right here. If you guys can hear what this sounds like. So let me actually listen to both of the audio and see which one actually sounds better and what the difference is. Alright, so I just finished listening to the audio that's on here versus the MacBook Pro. And one thing I noticed is the fact that on the MacBook Pro, there's definitely like a bass effect when you guys use it on there. Whereas for this one right here, it seems like it cancels a little bit of the noise. So that way I don't really hear like the bass or whatever that you can get from the MacBook Pro. So that's definitely really nice. So that way when you guys are doing podcasts or if you guys are recording videos or if you guys are planning users to do interviews, it actually cancels out a lot of the noise if there is any noise in the background, which is pretty nice. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you saw a quick test of the product, definitely see that actually does work and it's quite well. Super easy to install the product. Basically, once you guys plug in like the cable to activate the product, then basically start using the product to record stuff, or if you guys want to do podcasts, or if you guys want to use it for gaming or streaming, you can definitely use it however you guys want to. And I really like the fact of how the product is so small and compact, and the fact of how it has a magnetic option in the bottom where you actually remove the actual stand. That's actually really cool as well to make this product super compact and portable. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now the unboxing and testing the product, not to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these, especially if you guys are trying to look for an affordable, high quality microphone that has everything that I mentioned on here that you can see from the test as well, then this product is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.